Hello, it's time for Sparks e-bike. So today I forgot to start the vlog. So starting just now. Here we got this Sur-Ron Light Bee X right here. Nice bike with a Fox 40 and SM Pros over here, and we got this little one Sur-Ron Storm B. Sorry, Hyper B. Yeah, so it's Hyper B. So here for tire change. It's quite a slick right now, so we will get the tire for him and get it changed over here. So introducing Mudassir. He used to work with us, but not anymore. Now he's working at the fish factory for some reason. Why are you crying? Why are you crying, bro?
Because I'm missing this place.
Okay.
I'm coming after almost 2 months. Yeah. Now I will be here. Some days, no. Who knows?
So you see, someone put a silicone on this tube, and yeah, some funny stuff going on, and it's so sticky. It's so sticky, so I think it's not been changed at the place for a very long time. Yeah. Alright. We gotta change this tire now. Do a trail one. I'm gonna put some lube. When you try to do fast tire change, you can ask the cameraman himself. You nicked so many tubes. As I was saying, like, he used to work with us. He learned the hard way after wasting like many tubes. Everyone does.
Yeah.
The last part. You gotta keep an eye on the tube if you're pinching it. There you go. Alright, 40 psi. It's ready, done. Bada bim, bada boom. So just gotta install this back in, and I have to install the brake pads on the Meguro MT5, and I will need to route the cable through the frame so it looks nicer.
Now it's messy, you know.
It's very messy all around. The most messiest part. Look at this. Look at this brake pad. Look at the condition. Look at the state of the caliper inside.
It's all the way out.
Yeah?
The pistons.
Pistons are all the way out. So I will see, you know. I hope the pistons are not damaged over here. But anyways, so this Sur-Ron, I've already changed the tires, installed the brake pads, shortened the brake hose, sitting good. This one is done. This one is Friends Ultra B, so it's gonna be here for a bit till he repair his arm because it's cracked. This scooter just came in, so it was the kid's dad who was saying that I think the suspension is broken, but what I just saw is the frame is broken. You see, it's supposed to be, this part's supposed to be a part of this one and welded on these two bits over here. So the kid didn't tell their parents that he had a crash, but I mean, this kind of thing can only be happening on some crazy crash. So what we're gonna do is gonna try to weld this bits over here and see if it works out, but it's gonna be, maybe I'll be doing tomorrow or day after tomorrow. For now, we will be looking for Tyre for Hyper-B.
A few moments later.
Okay, we are in the second shot now. Zunay bro, what's happening with this bike?
So we're changing brakes, basically putting hydraulic brakes on it. Customer has brought these ones. Not the best ones, but they do the job, I guess.
With this scooter. We have finished this bike. We changed the controllers,
From
right?
the last video, we changed the controller. All good.
Okay, so Zunay bro, what are the plans with this bike?
This is gonna be a 2001 bike, but right now we are struggling with putting the battery in there. We're gonna have to do some DIY stuff to somehow get the battery in. It's gonna be quite a slug fit.
It's a giant frame.
Hello.